this video, you will learn how to install a diesel heater in a caravan or motorhome. Step 1. Gather the tools and materials you'll need. When you purchase a diesel heater, it typically comes with the following items: the diesel heater, fuel tank, ducts and vents, mounting plate, air intake and filter, exhaust and muffler, fuel line and pump, controller and remote, and other installation accessories. There is a few extra tools you'll also need: a drill, a screwdriver, hole saw, a round flange, silicone sealant, and electrical tape. And we also recommend adding a fuel tank cover, a CO detector, and electrical ducts.